Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hair. This mess. I got bangs at the beginning of June and I want to show you how I kind of take care of them. Without me rambling any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and let's get right into styling these bangs. Today I'm going to be using the Duovolt Rendezvous Professional Styling Iron. Duovolt was kind enough to send this over for me to test out and use because they know I struggle with my bangs. So this is what it looks like when it comes in the package. It also comes with a plastic wrap around it that I took off because I've obviously used it and I didn't want to get plastic on the... Anyways, I am a brand ambassador now with Duovolt, so use code MEG70, which is on the screen and is in the description box down below with this product linked if you're interested in getting it for 70% off. That's right, 70% off, so I'm just saying. That's a pretty good deal. Let's get to styling my bangs. One thing I really like about this is it's super lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all, but it feels really nice quality. I just hit the on button right here. Now I just gotta wait for it to heat up a little bit. Now when I am styling my bangs, I like to use this little comb to kind of direct the hairs where I want them to go. When it's super humid out like it is right now during summertime where I live, it's like really difficult to get my bangs to cooperate with what I'm doing. But if I can do that, it's like really helpful if I can make them look decent. Also, I have a pro tip: if you have bangs, put extra powder on your forehead. No one's going to be able to see it because your bangs are there, and it'll help the sweat not stick. So basically all I'm going to do is going to separate little sections with my hands and just go over that and make it look straighter. Just pulling down slightly. And this isn't anything like super obviously. My technique isn't anything that takes a super long time to accomplish. It's super quick actually, and it just is making sure that the curtain is fully covering my forehead. I don't want any skin showing through, and that you can pretty much see my eyes, but they're a little bit hidden as well. Sometimes I get these long stragglers. I always wear my hair in a ponytail, especially when I'm going to work. I work at Sephora now, if anyone didn't know. So I'm going to take that longer straggler and add that to my ponytail. I love using Invisibobbles. That's what I always use in my hair. I feel like I never get headaches, like ponytail headaches, when I use them. And also they're super easy to get back to their normal size. They don't break that easy, so that's a big plus of the Invisibobbles. I'm just gonna go ahead and take these outer pieces once again. Sometimes I'll do a little bit of a curl to it. Sometimes I don't because it never turns out well. Sometimes I just can't even get what I want to happen. That's all I do to style my bangs. It's super easy. Just a little comb and a flat iron will get you a really long way. Again, I'll link this flat iron in the description box down below. Use my code MEG70 for 70% off. That's a nice deal. But yeah, this is a really good quality iron and I like it a lot. I've been using it quite a bit lately just to maintain the fringe. But I am a huge fan of this, so go check out Duovolt. I've done a video with them before on my nighttime skincare routine, so I'll make sure to link that below as well and link the products and the website below just for you guys. But yeah. I know this video was a super short one, but I wanted to show you guys exactly how I style my bangs. No one asked for it, but here we are. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And thank you for sitting here and watch me do my bangs for 3 minutes. Bye.